Hello, my name is Jason from Fix My Books, and again, Canada exit taxes, popular topic. And I have another question. Can I defer the departure tax? This is a pretty interesting question. Yes, you can defer the departure tax when you cease to be a resident of Canada. You actually can make an election to do this. And it's under subsection 224.5. And so you do what you would do is you'd file form T1243, so deemed disposition of property by an immigrant in Canada, disposition of the property, and then you'd file T1244, so that's the election under subsection 224.5, and that's to defer the payment of the tax on the income relating to the deemed disposition of the property. So there are conditions for this and procedures. So you'll likely have a security requirement. So to defer the payment of the departure tax, you'll likely need to provide security acceptable CRA. This security is required to ensure the payment of the tax after the election. There are filing deadlines attached to it. You can pay annual installments as well. And you're generally going to need to provide types of security. So these range from what you can provide. So you can do letters of credit or guarantees to the CRA. You can give them title to certain property, an part owner of one of your businesses. So, or not really owner, but they have control over one of your businesses. And there are just a multitude of different ways to deal with this. You can't give them a line of credit that's like access to your credit card or something like that. That's not a form of security. But it is very complicated, especially, when you're dealing with departure tax and it's significant amounts and you don't actually have the capital to be able to pay it. A lot of people do get stuck with this if they have they're very asset rich but cash poor. So if they have a business, very highly valued business, all of their wealth is kind of tied to the business, and they generally only have, $100,000 in their bank account, but their business is valued at several million. This is one of those situations. Or if they have several properties overseas and they can't actually sell them right now. There is some reason they can't sell them, but they're going to leave and they can't come up with the cash to be able to sell them. All right. So it can get quite complicated. So if you are confused on this topic, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Jason with Fix My Books. And if you know anyone that this may help, feel free to share this video with them, as well as like and subscribe, because that always helps us out. Thank you.